Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Malware. In today's video I'm going to show you how to scan and remove any computer virus on your Windows. So this is how you're going to do it. We're not going to use any third-party application, or you're not going to install any software on this computer, but you're going to be removing those viruses without using any Windows application or using any other third-party application. So you're going to come at this Windows icon, and then you're going to look for the settings, and then after we're going to open our settings. And if we open our settings, we're going to come where we have privacy and security, and then after you're going to go where we have Windows security, and then we're going to check Windows security, and then you're going to come where you have virus and threat protection, and then you're going to choose that one. It will automatically open the Windows security application on your Windows. So you're going to come where we have virus. If your Windows security is in home, make sure you turn on the virus and threat protection. Turn this on, and then after give it the admin permission, and then you're going to come where we have virus and threat protection. You're going to come where you have quick scan, or you can change and scan the full scan, but I recommend a quick scan, and then give it like 2 minutes. It would have completed to scan. And once it completes to scan, you're going to come where you have protection history, and then you're going to see, by choosing protection history, you're going to be seeing the list of computer viruses that will be available in your laptop. Then you're going to come, and then where you have law, and then go where you have actions. You'll be seeing remove. You'll be seeing that quarantine, and then choose remove. So by doing that, you would have removed a computer virus from your laptop or Windows without using any third-party application or installing any application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share. If you get any problem, just comment. I sign out.